talking, Austin?
10-11, the cup hockey, 10 break. It's hard to open it today.
What's that one?
Remember the AJ Green Super Factory?
Banged up? That's what that finest was banged up like that.
Was it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Starting out him again, Anze Kopitar. You got him in almost every box. Base 290, 249.
Put it up by the camera.
Can you see it? Anze Kopitar to 249. Them again, Stahl.
God damn it.
That's okay. Jamie McBain to 249.
Gabriel.
Yeah.
Or no, that's Nino.
That's the other guy. He's good too.
Their draft board.
They're got our duo of Eric Stahl and Cam Ward. Number 35. Full card, second one of those. Redemption. Our draft board. New York Islanders. Nino Niederreiter.
Hand numbered even.
It's numbered.
Yeah, this
Draft board. Silver ink, 22 of
This
25.
box is loaded.
Oh, what's on there? Who is that?
Is it a redemption even?
It's a redemption. Numbered to 249. Of Alexander Petrushki. None to brag about. And then what's so great about that?
He's the 5th overall pick. This guy.
Yeah.
Draft board?
Mattis Tenenby. Numbered to 249, last card. And we got a total of 6 autographs. Wow, it's loaded 6 autographs, Dad. 1 base, a redemption. Dual, 3 rookies. Ultimate rookies. They both play for the Carolina Devils. No, the Devils and then the... Well, I'm